Hello, we're Bill and Susan Dossie. We're building the Monroe 2 house here at Shaw. Our favorite part of building our house with Shaw so far has been the showcase design. We come in and pick everything out, from the paint colors to the tile to the floor, the bricks, you name it, electrical outlets, everything. It's a truly custom built home.
What sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders is being able to pick out some customs like the ceiling, the paint.
Well, and like she said, all the custom things that we've talked about choosing. Plus, I think it's just a better quality home built. This is our second new construction home we've done. I used to be a realtor, and I've been to an all-day class at Shaw and went through their, told us how they built the houses, and we went out in 4 different stages of houses being built, and I just saw the quality of all the quality stuff, materials they've used, and just seemed like a really good built home. If you're thinking about building a new house, I would definitely go with Shaw, just for all the professionalism and all your choices.
So many choices.
You could be in here all day long,
And we
and
have.
you could change. You could change how many? Well, up to the last minute, and then it costs you a little more, but it's well worth it.